Hi, today I want to show you setup in setup, direction, entry. As you see, we have a QMM setup. Can you see it? Let me show you. Price came down, goes up, this is a QMM, and in the same time frame, as you see, we have a unmitigated block here and liquidity. So for entry we goes to lower time frame. In a lower time frame, as you see, price came back to the zone, made the engulfing candle as a confirmation, then we enter this area, put our stop loss above the zone, and about the TP, let's back again to the time frame, main time frame. We'll zoom out and find the danger zone or end of the range. As you see, our range can be around here because there is a unmitigated block in the higher time frame. Let me change it to the 15-minute. As you see, we have a unmitigated block in this area, so I put my TP at this area, and as you see, our risk reward ratio is around 3.14, and it could be enough. Let's see what will happen in 1 minute. Finally, price touch our zone. Based on my experiences, setup in setup direction happen in a lower time frame than double Marubozu setups. If I found the double Marubozu in 1 hour, for setup in setup direction, I should look at 15 minutes or 5 minutes to saw them and then find the zone and enter to the position. Have a good time. See you with another example.